Good morning, Beardsters. Good morning? It might not be morning where you are, but it's morning here. And we're actually celebrating week 15 of the year. Although technically it's actually week 16 because I didn't actually get around to recording any sort of video last week just because I was so busy. But the video I want to focus on today is how to style a medium, sure, I don't know what size beard this is. Let's call it a medium sized beard. Let's work out how we style this bad boy. Let's go through the routine. But first, I just wanted to show you some of the products I'm working with at present. It's some good stuff. So what we're gonna go do now is, as you can see from the hair, the beard's a bit messy. I need to jump in the shower, wash the beard with some beard wash or maybe a solid shampoo bar, dry it up, oil it, balm it, style it, do the hair, and that's my routine pretty much every single day. Once I'm out the shower, my hair and my beard are pretty much all over the place. The beard is pretty much dry. I've towel dried the beard, which means you just, pat it dry with a towel, rub it in, especially under here because a lot of moisture stays in under the chin. It's gonna need a bit of work with the hair dryer. So we're just gonna quickly put a cold hair dryer against the beard and against the hair. I'll switch between hot and cold doing the two. And just firstly though, comb the beard. But let's just focus on the beard right now. It's pretty full. I have a really curly beard and it is quite hard to tame. Right now it's so silky, soft and smooth, partly because I'm using beard wash maybe 3 times a week. But actually I've been using this product, this beard balm, maybe for a couple of days, 2-3 days, and it's like a liquid beard balm. I've not been using beard oil, I've just been using the beard balm, and it seems to have given the beard the best finish out of any product I've ever used. So we're gonna go ahead and style the beard now. I think we're gonna try and use an oil, a balm, and maybe a mustache wax, just so you can get a complete picture of every type of product in one single video, so you don't have to watch loads of different videos to learn how to style your beard using different products. We'll just do it all in one. I'm going to use Beard Brand, the 4 Vices Utility Balm. I'm going to use the Beard Brand 4 Vices, if I get it around the right way, mustache wax. And I think one beard oil that I've just picked up is the $1 Million beard oil. Beard oil? It's actually got actual gold flakes in. It's kind of bizarre. Like I just quickly grabbed the bottle out. So with this beard oil, it's actually really light beard oil. So it gets absorbed by my hands and my beard and skin so fast. So we're just getting some out. It's a dropper dispenser. I'm gonna hold off on giving it a proper review in this video because it will have its own review. It's a fairly solid product. It's quite peppery, quite earthy, and I'm sort of just gonna go with 6 to 8 drops is kind of what I've been finding works. Now I don't really need to use a huge amount of beard oil because we're going to use a utility balm from Beard Brand, and a utility balm is quite similar to a beard butter. It's not like a styling balm. It's not really, I don't think it's got any wax in it, so it's not really going to give you a hold like a styling balm does, but it does give a hold because the product itself is so like cake-like. It's like cake mixture. It's so thick and I'm just trying to get it on screen here. It's pretty cool. It's like the beard butters that I used to make. And it's the first time I picked up a utility balm from Beard Brand or any product. Like, I've never used them. I've been looking forward to it for a while. It's quite grainy, but it soon melts down, and it's actually really nice to put into the beard. And the scent is really, I think it's quite an acquired scent. So it melts down pretty fast. And you don't need to use a brush. You just need to use your hands to style it how you want, because the brush will actually undo a lot of that hold, a lot of that thickness. So if you want that sort of thick shape, that nice shape, don't start putting a brush through it, because you're going to lose this sort of, this shape that you're getting right now. Next, we're just going to use the beard wax. So we're just going to roll a little bit up, and you just scrape it off using your thumbnail. And then with the wax that's on your thumbnail, just split it between your fingernails, and you just want to get it sort of workable. So you just need to melt it down a bit, and you'll feel how sticky and how tacky this is. And then just apply it like this. And then I'm just going to get the cool setting onto the hairdryer and just use it to help cool the wax a little bit quicker and get a little bit more shape to it. I'm not going for anything crazy like a crazy handlebar mustache. My mustache hair needs to be slightly longer to pull that off without looking like a dick. So I'm not doing that right now. And that's it. Really, like, the mustache wax from Beard Brand is quite a natural hold, so it's not going to give that massive rigidity that a lot of you might be looking for. Like, I can try and style it up, but it's just going to droop down. It doesn't give that hardened sort of effect that you might expect from a wax, and that's fine at the moment. I'm quite happy just having a wax that gives it a little bit of hold, that kind of makes it a little bit more distinct from the rest of the beard, keeps it off my top lip so I can drink one of those cheeky flat whites or cappuccinos without too much milk froth covering my mustache. And that's it for the beard. Anyway guys, I hope you got some sort of value out of this. We are at week 15 of the year for this video. I'm actually at week 16, so this is a 16-week beard. I just couldn't get around to recording this video like I said last week. If you got any value, make sure to, you know, leave a like. Let me know what you're struggling with your beard styling or even your hair styling. Like, we all have hair problems like every single day, so don't stress about that. And I can do some more videos maybe on some of the hair products as well. And it'd be cool to welcome you to the Beardster family, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications by ringing the bell, and we'll see you very soon. Goodbye.